pleasure in having you. My sign language interpreter is Moses Gitonga. We are coming to you from our main studios in Nairobi. Let's keep you updated now. And Deputy President William Ruto has reiterated that the war against graft should be based on facts and not speculation or propaganda profiling some government projects as told. This as Wiper leader Kalonzo Musyoka, flanked by ANC leader Musalia Mudavadi, on their part claim that investigative agencies should not be deterred in the war against corruption. Here is KUTV's Irene Mwangi.
Deputy President William Ruto has differed with Wiper leader Kalonzo Musyoka and his ANC counterpart Musalia Mudavadi on the fight against corruption in the country. The Deputy President has cautioned against a smear campaign run by people seeking to taint Jubilee track record, saying he will not watch the war against corruption being politicized.
What is unacceptable to us is exaggerations, propaganda, with the aim of politicizing, profiling government projects so that development partners can run away, the projects can stall, and then this can be used for political campaigns down the road.
Kalonzo Musyoka, however, argues that the Director of Public Prosecution, Nugent Haje, and Director of Criminal Investigation, George Kinoti, must do their work without fear and favor, while Musalia Mudavadi says there must be more handcuffing even as the handshake continues to shine on.
I want Kinoti to know the country is standing behind him. He should not stop at anything other than preferring once he has got the facts and apeleka mbele.
Mpaka leo Bishop amesema tuvuke kutoka kwa handshake mpaka kwa handshake, lakini hapo katikati alisahau kuna handcuffs.
Speaking in Sirisia, Ford Kenya leader Moses Wetangula on his part argues that for President Uhuru Kenyatta to conquer slaying the dragon of corruption in the country, then he should desist from ethnicizing the matter.
Pesa imepotea. Mumesikia mambo ya damu. Wanalipa bilioni 6 inaenda Italy, baada ya siku 2 inapatikana London, baada ya siku 3 inapatikana Barclays Bank Westlands. Na pesa yetu. Kwa hivyo Rais Uhuru Kenyatta, vile umeamua ya kwamba unapigana na ufisadi, sisi wananchi wa kawaida ambao wanaumia zaidi wanataka kuona wafisadi wote wamewekwa ndani.
This comes days after opposition leader Raila Odinga took on Deputy President William Ruto for asserting that only 7 billion shillings has been lost in the multi-purpose dam of Kumorero Road, saying it's not pocket change.
Don't go and shout there and tell us that, oh, 7 billion shillings is nothing. 7 billion shillings is not pocket change. See, pesa kununua mandazi. Alafu wanaenda pale hii. Leo wanasema mimi ni hapa, mimi ni huyu.
President Uhuru Kenyatta has previously assured the country that no one will be spared in the war against corruption, insisting the big and the small fish will be nabbed ultimately.
Todo andu marona tari itheru. Wira uyu no ukurutwo na nimukuigua andu makiambia kunyitwo. Nimukuigua andu makiambia kunyitwo. Na kameme gaka tiko gagutwithura we aka gatiga kurekia rega gakurekia ni uthio cire aitho cokie indo cia muingi kana kinyothie mugaikaraga na mundu uria wa 2020 mwiranage uria mwaiyaga na uria mwekaga hamwe.
Even as the Jubilee government assures Kenyans that they are well on course in the war against corruption, the conviction on big graft scandals still remain unseen. Irene Mwangi, KUTV.